Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect Wi-Fi network with MSI Claw. To do this, first we'll need to click on Wi-Fi sound and battery sign in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then make sure that your Wi-Fi is enabled and click on the arrow next to it. Right here we can find all of the networks that we can connect with. Click on one of them. Also, you can activate or deactivate to connect with that network automatically, and then we can proceed with a connection. Here it will ask me for a password. Let's enter it. And click on Next. And after a few seconds we should be successfully connected with that network. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.